Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily speed up a video using CapCut on your PC. So first, let's import the video just by clicking here. Just click on the video that you want to edit. Then let's drag the video to the timeline. So in this section, you should be able to see speed. Just click it. And from here, you can scroll to right to speed up a video. But for a smoother playback, 5 times or less speed is recommended. So in here, you also have the curve option. So it's basically just a more creative way to adjust the speed of your video. So this is the original speed of our video as you can see. And this is with 5 times speed. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily speed up your video just by using CapCut using your PC. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!